Hi, this is Bai from myfractalrange.com, and in this very short video I will show you the difference between high Hurst assets and low Hurst assets. So first of all, what is a Hurst exponent? A Hurst exponent tells you whether this asset is trending, mean reverting, or random. So basically Hurst exponent below 0.5 means that asset is mean reverting. It means after positive values there usually negative values follow, and after negative values you can see positive values. So this asset is tends to be mean reverting. In the long term, the only asset class which is mean reverting in nature, by nature, is volatility, so things like VIX and so on. But we don't use longer time frames in our process, and I will explain why. Hurst exponent of 0.5 basically tells you that this asset is random. It follows a random walk. It means that basically there is a 50% that chance that tomorrow this asset go up and 50% chance that it will go down. So basically you cannot predict anything. And if asset has a Hurst exponent of more than 0.5, it means that asset is trending. It means positive values tend to follow other positive values, and negative values tend to follow other negative values. In academia, mostly you will see that people are using very long time frames, so for example 4 years or even more for Hurst exponent, and of course from our risk management perspective and from trading perspective, in my opinion, this time frame is too big. So for example, on myfractalrange.com we provide the Hurst exponent based on 3 months of data and 1 year of data. And now I will show you a simple example of what a strongly trending asset is and what a choppy asset is. So for example, here I have a watch list of SPY sectors and main index ETFs, and I have it filtered based on 3-month Hurst exponent. And we can see that in this list XLU has the highest 3-month Hurst of 0.79, and QQQ has a lowest 3-month Hurst of 0.6. So now let's see the difference. So let's go to Trading View, and here is a daily chart of XLU, and you can clearly see that there are these big chunks of green candles, red candles one after another, and so on. So that's what I mean when I say that positive values tend to follow other positive values and negative values tend to follow other negative values. So this is a great example of a persistent time series, at least based on 3-month data. Now another example will be QQQ, which if we go and filter the Hurst from lowest to highest, you will see that QQQ has a 3-month Hurst of 0.6. And now if we open a chart of QQQ, you will see that the situation here is quite different. Yeah, this asset is going down. If you zoom out, you can think that this trend is very clear and straight, but if you zoom in, you will see that it's not actually the case, and there are quite a lot of choppy candles. So this is the main difference. Now, how to interpret this number? When I said that, for example, asset with a Hurst 0.5 is random, so basically you can say that there is 50% chance that tomorrow that asset will go to the same direction where it went today. Yeah, so 50-50, basically random. So you can think this way: about trending assets and mean reverting assets as well. So in my opinion, the easiest way to understand Hurst exponent is if you think of it the following way. So let's say, as an example now, 3-month Hurst on XLU is 0.79. So the definition, my translation of this number would be that based on 3 months of data, there is 79% probability that the next trading day XLU will go to the same direction where it went today. So as an example, we can just refresh the price and we see that today XLU is basically up 2%. Of course, market is still open and I'm recording this on July 1st, 2022. But basically, you can say that there is a 79% chance that after the long weekend, when the market opens, the next trading day, that asset will also go up. That's the easiest way, in my opinion, how to better understand, how to explain Hurst exponent, and it's easier to understand this number this way. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or if you find those videos useful and you want more of those, just let me know, and I will do the best to create videos on other topics and explain things. Thank you, and have a great long weekend.